Hello and welcome back, guys. My name is Harry and today I've got yet another very simple Indian recipe for you. Now in Melbourne, it's already winter, it is freezing outside and it's raining. And this used to be a dish Mum used to cook right in the middle of winter. In fact, we used to look forward to this recipe every winter. We're going to use some aromatic spices, we're going to use some dry spices, and overall the recipe should be ready in no more than half an hour. So without wasting any more time, let's get down to the prep work. Well, thanks a ton for watching that video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below and click on the bell icon so you are the first one to know when we upload new videos. And if you think someone needs to cook this for you, make sure you share it with them. In the meantime, happy cooking.